Hello there, welcome to 1711 Powell Street. We are right in the heart of North Beach right now. You can see the lovely hardwood floors, all been repainted. Got a nice long hallway to go down to some of the bedrooms here, and then we're going to go ahead and we'll step on in. This is going to be your living room, great room area, dining room as well. Beautiful built-in cabinetry, absolutely gorgeous. And then completely redone kitchen, gas stove, dishwasher, really nice big sink, lots of shelving, definitely enough room for you to put in a table here or a nice big island with counter seating. Just into this back area, all right, we've got our washer dryer, all new, just installed. And we'll go ahead and we'll walk on in. Lots of light in here as well, which is really nice. Good ensuite bathroom. So, tub, toilet, sink, and then we have a secondary half bathroom as well, with a little efficiency sink here. Beautiful tile work. I don't know if you can tell, but the tile work is just fantastic. There's also a lot of really good detail in here if you're into Victorians or Edwardian places. You can really see this beautiful skylight chandelier, finial work, really beautiful. Lots and lots of light into the bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1, nice big closet, and this is something I really love about this place. If you can see the little spot up above that, that's a secret little hidey cupboard as well, which is really cool. Each of the rooms have those. All the blinds were just installed. This one has a really nice big, huge, enormous bay window. The doors here, these close. We're gonna go ahead and we'll take a look on over, right on over into the park here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this little tub. So you can see Washington Square Park is right there, so you are super close to absolutely everything. Columbus Street is just right there. Tons and tons of restaurants, lots of great stuff. Again, there's the little cupboard. We left this one open so you can kind of see. Nice little hidey hole cupboard. Perfect for keeping your Christmas presents in, or your, any sort of presents that you want to hide away for later. And then we've got our second bedroom here, still overlooking into Washington Square Park in Columbus. Again, cute little cupboard and nice big closet here as well. And then we'll go ahead, almost all done. Really nice big size apartment here. We've got a huge closet. I always love this when people do these. Nice big closets in here. And the lighter is on a timer, which is really cool. So if you close the door and you forget to turn the light off, it'll do it for you. There's a lot of those neat little features like that in this house. Bathrooms are set up like that as well. So we'll take one more last little look down the hallway. I just absolutely love this skylight. It is so incredibly gorgeous. Really gives you a sense that you are actually in San Francisco. Beautiful space. Nice having the living room, dining room area a little bit off of the front. Even so, there are double pane windows. All of this has just been recently redone, so you really can't hear any of the street noise whatsoever. So just wanted to say thank you. Hope you come by and visit this place soon. I have a feeling it's gonna go really fast. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.